Hello, welcome to the lecture on Basic Civil Engineering Module 2 Introduction to Building and Town Planning. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing the topic Basic Requirements for Building Planning. So, basic requirements for building planning are strength and stability, resistance to fire, resistance to dampness, durability, heat and sound insulation, lighting and ventilation, protection against termite, security against burglary, comfort and convenience, economy. So here we will be discussing it one by one. Strength. Building should be capable of transferring the expected load in its life cycle period safely to the ground. Here the expected loads are dead load, live load, wind load, earthquake loads, snow load, etc. This should be designed as per IS code 875. Design of various structural components like slab, beam, wall, column and footing should be ensuring safety. None of the structural components should be bulky, overturned and collapse. Stability. Excessive deformation of a structural component gives a sense of instability and results into cracking in walls, footing, flooring, etc. All structure components should be so designed that deflection does not exceed the permissible value specified in the IS code. Here shows the best example of strength and stability. If the building does not carry loads like earthquake load, dead load, live load, wind load, then this tries to buckle and fail. Stability in the other figure shows that there is no stability, then the building will deform and the failure occurs. Resistance to fire. Regarding achieving resistance to fire, the basic requirements laid down in the codes are: structure should not ignite easily. Building orientation should be such that spread of fire is low. In case of fire, there should be minimums of easy access to vacate building quickly. So these are the some of the requirements laid down in the codes. Here shows the some of the best example of fires across the world. Resistant to dampness. Dampness in the building is a great nuisance and it may reduce the life of building. Greater care should be taken in planning and in the construction of building to avoid dampness. Here shows some of the best example of dampness. Peeling of paints, plasters come out, greenery in the walls. These are some of the dampness. Durability. Each and every component of the building should be durable. Whenever a building is built, its minimum life should be 30 to 50 years. Height insulation. Building should be so oriented that designed that it insulate interior for heat. Nowadays, many different type of thermocol sheets are available for heat insulations or in the roof, walls, etc. Sound insulation. Sound insulation should be planned against outdoor and indoor noise. Lighting and ventilation. For healthy and happy life living, natural lights and ventilations are required. Fused light and good cross ventilation should be available inside the building. So it mainly depend upon ventilations provided, doors and windows provided in the building. Security against burglary. It is the basic need of a owner of the building expects. Here shows a thief breaking the doors of the owner and moving into the house for robbery. Protection against termite. Here termite is the major problems in the wooden materials in the building. So it is protected from the termite by using some of the paints or some of using some of the chemicals. Comfort and convenience. Various units in the building should be properly grouped and integrated, keeping in the mind the comfort and convenience of user. Economy without sacrificing comfort, convenience and durability is another basic requirement of building. Each and every owner or user would think of cost he had paid for the building. It is an important factor for all of the building planning. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned with us. Meet you in the next lecture. Bye.